Hello friends and welcome back to Tech Globe YouTube channel. In this demonstration, we will learn how to install remote desktop services in Windows Server 2022. So to do that, I'm gonna open Server Manager, and as you can see, this server, the computer name is master and domain name is techglobe.local, and the static IP address is 192.168.60.140. What we're gonna do, click on the dashboard, and I'm going to click on add roles and features and click on next. Role based or feature based installation, click on next, and by default the server is selected, and click on next again. And here I'm gonna select remote desktop services, then click on next. Here no need to select any features, and click on next again and next. And the role services, I'm going to select remote desktop connection broker and add features. On the same time, select remote desktop gateway and add features again, and select remote desktop licensing and click on add features, and final remote desktop section host, then add features again. Then I'm going to click on next and next again and continue. And here restart the destination server automatically if required, and confirm, and finally click on install, and the installation progress is started. This will take several minutes. Please wait until the installation complete. We have one additional client computer also is there. For the testing purpose, I have selected this additional, Windows 10 computer. So once the installation and configuration is done, we can try to access the remote desktop connection. And this is our Windows 10 computer configurations. All right, these are the basic configurations of this client computer. Okay, let's check. Here you can see the static IP address is 192.168.60.139, same range of this network. Okay, so let me go back and check whether the server installation is done. And here you can see Microsoft will provide only 120 days trial version remote desktop services. So after that, you need to purchase the RDP license to continue the services. Now the installation has been completed, so I'm going to close this. And as you can see on the tools, there is a remote desktop services. So now what we can do, I'm going to go click on tools and select Active Directory users and computers and expand domain name, and here few containers is there. So I'm gonna click on users, create a new user, right click and click on new and select user. I'm going to type the username is Calvin, and click on next, enter the password, click on next again and finish. Now we have created the user. Okay, and click on built-in, select remote desktop users and double click and select members and click on add, to type Scalvin, which we created right now, and click on check names. And now the user has been selected, and click OK and apply, then click OK. Then after that, I'm going to update the group policy. User policy update has been completed. Okay, so now let's go back to the Windows 10 computer. Click on other user. Now I'm going to log in with the Scalvin user. And now we have successfully logged in the Scalvin user. Click on start menu, type run mstsz and hit enter. And the remote desktop connections, I'm gonna type the server IP address 192.168.60.140 and connect. Here you can enter the password, the Scalvin password, and I'm just click on remember me and click OK. Now as you can see, the client computer is trying to get the remote connection the server, and here you can see we have a successfully logged in the Windows server with the Scalvin user. And these are the way how to install remote desktop services. And dear all viewers, if you like this video, please do comments in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.